Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. It's morning here in the UK on Wednesday the 10th of May. I thought I'd do a brief update just on the latest on the Vallow Daybell trial. As many of you will have seen or are waking up to be seeing, the fact that the defence has rested and have produced nobody in defence for Vallow Daybell, so-called Doomsday Mum. I first started following this case, or rather the mystery of what had happened to tyleeryan and jjvallow, after seeing Nate Eaton of East Idaho News track down Vallow and Chad Daybell in Hawaii to try to get some answers. I'm going to attach a video of them when they got served with papers about the whereabouts of their then missing children before people knew that they were no longer alive. As I say, prosecutors rested the state's case on Tuesday the 9th of May. She is charged with the murder and the deaths of her children, 7-year-old Joshua jjvallow and 16-year-old tyleeryan. JJ and Tylee were found buried on her husband Chad Daybell's property in Idaho after being missing for months. Vallow Daybell was also charged with conspiracy to commit murder in the deaths and the death of her husband's first wife, Tammy Daybell. Vallow Daybell is also charged with grand theft for allegedly collecting Social Security payments on behalf of her children. Judge Stephen Boyce had earlier ruled that there would be no video or live audio of the trial. The court has released audio recordings of each day proceedings after trial is done for day. However, I believe it reconvenes on Thursday this week, and cameras will be allowed into court once the verdict has been reached. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some links in which are really important, I think, for you to watch. One of whom I followed, who is the aunt of jjvallow and niece of charlesvallow, Easton. Her channel is Difficult Research, and Nate Eaton's channel. He's done a superlative job and is a very empathetic, strong, knowledgeable, fact-finding man. So there we are. We have to wait. And as Crusher has said about her uncle charlesvallow, his motto was, "Love always wins." And so here we have to hope and pray that justice will be served and that love will win here. We have seen Kay and Larry Woodstock, the grandparents, all the way through the last few years, and have been so strong, so courageous, and so determined. Yesterday, Larry Woodstock wasn't very well, but I hear this morning he is recovered. It's not really surprising. If people are struggling, to put it mildly, one can only imagine the pain, the emotional pain, devastation and horror that they have and are living through and will live through the rest of their lives. But they are people to be admired, as is Crusher Easton, I believe. Anyway, I just thought I'd put an update this morning to say defence is rested, reconvene on Thursday, and verdict will be open to cameras. I'll put links in description as usual. Take care of yourselves, be safe, carry pink. And remember, monsters don't look like monsters. They look just like you or me often. Be vigilant. Carry pink.
Any questions? Do you have any questions for that? No? Okay. All right, have a nice day.